Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create validation rules in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to setup. From here, we go to the setup page, and after that, we need to access to our objects manager. So simply, we need just to find our objects manager. If you cannot find this, go to the quick find and type objects manager. So from here, we need just to click on the objects manager, and now we need to choose any object that we want to add validation rules for. So here I'm just going, for example, to accounts, and after that we need to search for validation rules. So here we will find them here at the end of our sidebar. We click on validation rules, and from here we cannot find any rule. So all we need to do is to click on new. Now we will give it uh, a rule name. So this is my validation rule. You give it a description, and now this is what you want to do or what you want to check. So in the error message, I would say this cannot be, for example, or error, and you type any error. And basically here you will need to insert a field. So now that we are on the account, those are the fields of our account. So basically here the account ID, I'm just going to insert it. Here an operator. Since the account ID is a number, let's just use an equal. So if it's equal, for example, 10, parameter expected lookup account. So basically this is a lookup account. So we need just to check the parameters, make sure that you have anything. So you will need to look up, and if it is equal to some kind of, uh, let's search for a lookup, for example. So from here, we need to find our lookup, or some researching to find our selected validation. So anyways, all you need to do is to add, depends on the field that you want, you give it some operator or some function. So it needs just to meet this condition. If this condition is met, means that there is an error in your field or in your validation, means that you cannot add this field or insert this record. And after that, you will have this message that will be showing, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.